What's going on YouTube? Uberman here. Yeah. So the van sold. You saw that in the title, right? And we're just going to go over real quick basically the process. So Mike sold it. By the time you see this video, it's been a few days now. Basically about a week and a half from the date of purchase is how long it took to sell the van. So the van was like $998 or $980, something around there, 900 and some dollars, almost $1,000. That was out the door. That's with all the stuff that we did to it. That was doing some transmission treatment, pumping out some fluid, putting gas in it, cleaning it up, just the general things that you do to a vehicle, you know. And so around $1,000 out the door after everything. And it sold for a really strange number, but it sold for $1,540. So although the van did not bring a huge profit for Mike, it still brought a very reasonable profit, and I feel like it sold in a pretty reasonable amount of time. It was a great vehicle, and it would have sold for $1,600, but when the gentleman that was looking at it went to test drive it, the driver's side window decided to fail. For whatever reason, whether it was a switch issue or a motor and a regulator issue, who knows. The window was working fine, but this is how it goes with cars. I mean, you just never know what these things are going to do, what's going to work one day and what's going to, you know, break the next. It's just kind of how it goes. But because the driver's side window decided to fail, well, Mike ended up getting him to $1,540. The guy wanted to pay $15. So, you know, Mike did really good about squeezing out every last dollar he could to make himself a profit on the van. And overall, I can't say that's a bad thing, man. $540 profit. Sure, we all hoped that the van was going to go for over $2,000, but realistically, you know, that just wasn't in the cards. So, yeah, $540 profit is not bad at all. No complaints there. Mike's happy. I'm happy because I feel like he made out pretty decent on that. So at the end of the day, a lot of people said, stay away from the Mercury Sable. A lot of people said, stay away from the van. There's not going to be any profit margin there. You know, there was. Both vehicles made a very, very good profit. So there are absolutely no complaints. Mike's happy. I'm happy. Are you guys happy? Comment below. Tell me what you think. So I guess that's going to be it. This is going to be a really short video, much shorter than I'm used to, but basically to the point and we're done. If you're not currently a subscriber, consider clicking that subscribe button. Don't forget to punch that bell icon to get notified when there's new content coming available so you can be one of the first to see it. As always, like, comment, subscribe, stay safe out there, and Uber on.